Miniwood projects, a gateway to creativity. Miniwood projects offer a fantastic way to engage with woodworking, regardless of skill level. These projects range from simple to complex, allowing beginners to build confidence while providing seasoned craftsmen with opportunities for experimentation. Common beginner projects include birdhouses, small shelves, and decorative boxes. These items not only serve practical purposes but also act as creative outlets, enabling individuals to express their design aesthetics. Additionally, working with wood encourages mindfulness as it requires focus and precision, making it a therapeutic hobby. Choosing the right materials. When embarking on miniwood projects, selecting the right materials is crucial. Softwoods like pine, cedar, or fir are often recommended for beginners due to their workability and availability. These types of wood are easier to cut and shape, reducing the intimidation factor for novices. On the other hand, hardwoods such as oak or maple, while more challenging to work with, can add durability and aesthetic appeal to projects. Understanding the characteristics of different woods helps in choosing the right material for each project, ensuring both functionality and visual appeal. Tools of the trade. The right tools can make or break a woodworking project. For mini projects, a basic toolkit usually suffices, including a handsaw, drill, measuring tape, and sandpaper. More advanced projects may require additional tools like a jigsaw or wood clamps for intricate cuts and stability. It's essential for woodworkers to familiarize themselves with the tools they use, as proper technique not only enhances the quality of work but also ensures safety. As skills develop, investing in specialized tools can open up new avenues for creativity, allowing for more complex designs and finishes. Design principles to consider. Effective design principles are vital when creating miniwood projects. Proportion, balance, and harmony are key to achieving visually pleasing results. Sketching designs before starting can help visualize the final product and identify any potential issues. Additionally, considering the functionality of a piece is essential. An aesthetically appealing item must also serve its intended purpose. Experimenting with different styles, be it rustic, modern, or minimalist, can also enhance a project's appeal, showcasing the woodworker's unique style. Finishing touches. The finishing stage of a miniwood project is where the magic truly happens. Proper finishing enhances the wood's natural beauty while providing protection from wear and tear. Techniques such as sanding, staining, and sealing can transform a simple piece into a stunning work of art. Choosing the right finish depends on the desired look and use of the project. For instance, a waterproof sealant is ideal for outdoor pieces. Adding hardware like knobs or hinges can also elevate the design, making the project not only functional but visually striking. Show your support by subscribing and liking this channel.